Today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an outstanding 3-in-1 air conditioner, dehumidifier and fan from Garvee that was sent to me for evaluation purposes to share my own opinion with you about this masterpiece. 8,000 BTU power for you to easily enjoy a cool breeze during the hot summer days or hot summer nights, especially if you don't have a main unit and you need something to cool off your room. This one has an ergonomic design that will fit in the corner. And of course, in the set, you're going to find all the connection and window mounts that you need to establish a connection. The same thing, expanding the tube for that. Now, of course, the installation is super easy, but if you're going to use the instruction manual, it's going to be even easier for you. Also, for the mobility, it comes with a remote control that you're going to be able to easily use to adjust the settings. But of course, on the top, you're going to have a control panel to adjust it straight from the length of your arm. Now, like I just said to you, the installation is super easy. You'll just have to follow a couple of steps to adjust, bind, and connect all the details that are coming in the set. And of course, same thing will go for the window mount because you're going to be able to easily use it for a horizontal or vertical window to set up the tube for the exhaust, for the air conditioner, and of course, the air that is going out. And then, of course, you're going to connect the tube that comes in the set. And of course, depending on the distance from the window to the air conditioner, you're going to extend the tube for that capacity. Then, of course, on the other side of the AC, you're going to find the slot to slide the second part of the tube, featuring a standard US outlet we're going to use to turn on this masterpiece. And another feature that I love about the air conditioner that is not making a lot of sound. Like I said, on the top we have the control panel to set up some timers just in case you don't want it to work all night or all day. Then the speed of the fan can be easily adjusted to low as well. Then of course set up the temperature, go down for that, the modes which we have fan, cool and dry. Now, of course, if you're going to use the dehumidifier, you're going to have to take the water from it. The sleep mode, and of course, the power button to shut it down from the control panel. But the same thing you can do with the remote control. Let's say if you're in bed or on the couch, use the remote control to do all that. Of course, we have the fan, we have the temperature that you're going to be able to easily adjust depending on how you want. Then, of course, timer, and all the modes that you have on the control panel goes from the remote control. And like I said, the sleep mode when you turn on doesn't make a lot of sound, which is very convenient in my opinion. So we have an ergonomic design air conditioner, which is 3-in-1 for you to easily use as a fan, as an air conditioner to cool down your room or your office during the hot summer days or nights. And of course, a dehumidifier, especially if you live close to the coast and it's humid and you need that dry air because you cannot sleep at night because of that. Using this 3-in-1 air conditioner, you're going to be satisfied and of course sleep like a baby during the night. If you guys are looking for a portable 3-in-1 air conditioner, this one is definitely a recommendation from me because it's super easy to install, super easy to use, and very efficient.